Okay, we're here. Let's go.
Yeah, 1 second. I just need to call my sister. It's her son's birthday.
Oh, cute.
Hi! Gefeliciteerd met je zoontje. Oh, hij is zo groot geworden. Hi, liefie. Okay. Doei.
Oh, that's cute. Okay, let's go now.
Okay, 1 second. I just need to call my dad to congratulate him as well.
Wait. You congratulate.
Hi, papa! Gefeliciteerd met die kleinzoon. Ja, alles oké. Alles goed, ja. Oké, doei, love you.
Okay, wait. Will you congratulated him?
Yeah, he's the grandpa.
Okay. All right. Well, can we go now?
1 second. I just need to call my grandma really quick as well. Hi, oma. Ja, gefeliciteerd met je achterkleinkind. Ja, nee, alles goed hier in Amerika. Ja, alles prima. Oké, we spreken later, ja? Oké. Doei.
It's your nephew's birthday. It's not the whole family's birthday. I'm so confused.
That's what you do in the Netherlands. It's called courtesy.
Okay, can we go now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wait, I forgot my uncle.
Oh, Jesus! You find your own way. Seriously.